In today's video, I'll show you how to record slow motion video on your Android phone. Let's get into the method. Open the camera app, and first we might need to set the camera to regular video mode. To do this, scroll to the video option at the bottom, or tap on the video camera icon. Now you should be able to scroll through the video camera modes to find slow motion. There might also be a super slow motion option as well. With this selected, you may be able to change the slow motion speed. If there is an option for this, it will likely be in one of the corners. You can now start recording as normal. Remember that slow motion video will need more light than regular video. Stop the recording and then open it in the Google Photos app. You should be able to now adjust the portion of the video that is set to be shown at the slow motion speed. Use the handles in the timeline to do this, and then you can check out the video. That's how to record slow motion video on your Android phone. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.